Well, that's right. Leslie McSpadden and Michael Brown Sr. have not done any interviews with the media this evening, but they did release this statement. And here it goes. The Brown family statement on the grand jury decision. It says, "We are profoundly disappointed that the killer of our child will not face the consequence of his actions. While we understand that many others share our pain, we ask that you channel your frustration in ways that will make a positive change. We need to work together to fix the system that allowed this to happen. Join with us in our campaign to ensure that every police officer working the streets in this country wears a body camera. We respectfully ask that you please keep your protests peaceful. Answering violence with violence is not the appropriate reaction. Let's just make noise. Let's not just make noise. Let's make a difference." So again, you know, the family deeply disappointed by this, as they stated here. You know, they have been calling for an indictment of Darren Wilson since the shooting of their son. And so, again, we were told that they would be making a statement at Greater St. Mark's Family Church tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I have not been told any different as of now, but again, they are very disappointed.